You can ask to yourself, alam ko na yung sinasabi ni Pastor Destan. Matagal ko nang alam yan. Yes, maybe. But the question is this, are you faithful and still you practice it progressively? Kung hindi, kahit pa maganda ang team natin this time, you will miss it in your life. Be faithful to the condition that you have now known. Don't reject it. Don't forget it. And never quit to apply it. But instead, do it progressively because your faith, your authority, your prayer, and generosity is not in vain for this year 2026. Maybe you have a lot of words, but you are not a prayerful person. Maybe you have heard this many times, but still you reject it. Today, you can ask and say, Lord, help me to be a doer of every condition that you have given to me for abundant living this year, 2026.